Hey guys, what's going on? It's Dave. This is GVA, Ghetto Van Adventures. Warren is rocking the camera and he almost sank out of sight in the snow. We're doing an air filter today, okay? I picked up a new air filter for him. Ooh, fancy. So, it's pretty easy to do on this. This is a 2011 F-150. It's got the 5-liter V8 in it, okay? So what it is three clips right here. If you can get right in here, Warren. These things right here. Just pop these off. They're pretty simple. And there's one, where's right behind here. Oh, there. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so now that we've changed positions, you just lift on this because they go in little tangs. So lift and just give it a little wiggle, pull out. There. Now, yeah, well, it's kind of disgusting. See? Now you take a look inside, see if there's any dead animals or there was a mouse in here at one time. There's a peanut. You can clean all this
Save
out.
that for later.
That's not bad, a little dusty. And then you just take your air filter, drop it in place so it's flat, sits all up against there, and reverse the procedure. So lift up and push down, okay? And just show them what you're looking at. These things right here, they have to go into there. So you lift up, push down, give it a little, here, a little wiggle, and snap, snap, and snap. Guess what? Air filter's done. And they would charge you likely 30-40 bucks to put an air filter in. So guess what? You just save your, what is this, a couple minutes?
Yeah, 2 minutes.
Couple minutes. And so you just save yourself a bunch of money. It's easy, take your time. If you don't know what you're doing, ask somebody that does. People will always help you out. Anyway guys, thanks Warren. We're going on this truck again. You guys take care. Please be safe on the road.